Sqilah, Enhancing Careers. Chapter 12. Careers in Aviation Security. The core objective of aviation security is to ensure the safety of passengers, crew, airport personnel, and the public against any unlawful interference that could occur in flight or within airport premises. Aviation security officers are entrusted with two primary responsibilities: detection and prevention. Identifying prohibited items, including unauthorized weapons, explosives, and incendiary materials. Ensuring these items are not brought aboard an aircraft or into restricted security areas. Aviation security staff are at the forefront, tackling a myriad of challenges from air rage and assaults to handling potential national and international terrorism threats. They combat issues like drunkenness, smuggling, and various forms of crime within the aviation sector. This role demands resilience, vigilance, and a steadfast commitment to safeguarding passengers, crew, and the integrity of air travel. Heightened concerns about security have drawn attention and led to more stringent measures in the aviation sector. The increasing threat posed by unsophisticated weapons has prompted a rise in the discovery of potentially dangerous items at airports. Current security considerations encompass a range of issues such as stowaways, espionage, human trafficking, illegal immigration, theft, sabotage, hijacking, and environmental protests. What skills are needed to work in aviation security? In addition to the fundamental traits expected from any security screener, the pivotal difference in aviation security lies in the adept use of sophisticated technologies that bolster foundational knowledge. X-ray machines, explosive detection techniques, biometrics, and other technologies are extensively utilized. Screening of unknown cargo is a primary responsibility, ensuring it doesn't contain prohibited items. Aviation security roles often require a blend of technical expertise in handling advanced screening equipment, a keen eye for detail, and a deep understanding of security protocols and regulations established by aviation authorities. Proficiency in operating and interpreting the output of various security systems and technologies, coupled with quick decision-making abilities in high-pressure scenarios, is crucial. Constant awareness of evolving security threats and the capability to adapt to new security measures and protocols are highly valued in this field. Effective communication skills, particularly when interacting with passengers and various stakeholders, are also essential. Members of the armed forces typically demonstrate exceptional teamwork, adaptability, and resilience, a result of operating in diverse and challenging environments. Their ability to work effectively under pressure, make swift decisions, and maintain composure in demanding situations is highly relevant in the aviation security landscape. Furthermore, their experience with cutting-edge technologies, adherence to strict protocols, and commitment to duty make them well-suited for roles requiring precision, attention to detail, and adherence to stringent security standards in the aviation sector. Typically, aviation companies or specialized training providers conduct this training, facilitated by qualified instructors. Employers usually nominate individuals for specific courses based on their designated roles within the organization. It's essential to secure employment in the aviation security sector before enrolling in a training course, as these courses are typically employer-nominated. Individuals interested in pursuing these roles should anticipate undergoing criminal record and counterterrorism checks as part of the training requirements. Additionally, some roles may require specific certifications or qualifications to meet industry standards and regulatory requirements. Aspiring candidates should consider keeping themselves updated on the latest guidelines, certifications, and training programs provided by the governing authorities to remain compliant with evolving industry standards in aviation security. Managerial training in aviation security primarily targets individuals in managerial positions within airlines and airports. Instructor. Instructor courses in aviation security are typically classified into two categories, those for aircrew and ground crew. Cargo and in-flight supplies. Security cargo and in-flight supplies security training addresses various roles and responsibilities within the aviation security sector. Supervisors. Training programs in this domain are designed to prepare supervisors for overseeing security-related operations, ensuring compliance with aviation security standards. Operational staff. Staff undergoing these programs are typically involved in critical tasks such as cargo screening, searching, access control, pass issuance, and guarding. Their training focuses on operational procedures and security protocols pertinent to these roles. Others handling cargo. Individuals who may handle or transport air cargo undergo specialized training to ensure the safe handling and transportation of goods within aviation security guidelines. Passenger screening. Detailed training in physically screening passengers, utilizing metal detectors, recognizing and identifying potential threats such as explosive devices, firearms, and bladed weapons. X-ray and equipment training. Comprehensive instruction in X-ray theory, image recognition, and operational interfaces of screening equipment, including health and safety protocols, CCTV operation, and handling secure procedures. Baggage screening and handling. Familiarization with cabin baggage search theory, identification of prohibited items, and protocols for confiscation procedures. Security protocols and incident management. Training on passenger screening techniques, interpreting body language, handling special needs passengers, unattended bags, incident management, and maintaining security awareness. Understanding principles and systems related to access control within the aviation security framework. Vehicle search and report writing. Instruction on vehicle search protocols and comprehensive report writing skills regarding security incidents or concerns. This training provides ground security staff with the necessary knowledge and practical skills to ensure strict adherence to security protocols and to effectively identify and handle potential security threats within an aviation environment. Ground security supervisor. Ground security supervisors typically undergo additional training beyond the initial security staff qualification. This specialized training, which follows the completion of security staff training, encompasses further proficiency in the operation, performance, and testing of security equipment like metal detectors and X-ray machines. In-depth guidance on proper reporting procedures, documenting incidents, and fulfilling reporting requirements. Advanced training in emergency protocols and response strategies tailored for supervisory roles. Airport Security Manager. If you gain employment as an airport security manager, you will be responsible for overseeing overall security at your airport. This will mean devising security strategies, monitoring security and safety procedures, and coordinating with other employees in this area. Degrees in aviation management, business management, or law enforcement are advantageous, but you will also need significant airport security experience.